Alright, so the leaks just keep rolling in for the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, and honestly, I'm here for all of it. Every new detail that drops is like another puzzle piece falling into place, giving us a clearer view of what DJI's been working on, and yeah, it's getting seriously hard not to get hyped. The most recent leak came in the form of a video that surfaced on Chinese social media, and it shows the Mavic 4 Pro gliding effortlessly through this stunning, almost dreamlike landscape. We're talking blooming cherry blossoms, traditional Chinese architecture, the kind of scene that looks like it was pulled straight from a travel postcard. It's the perfect backdrop to show off what this drone can do, and honestly, it makes you want to grab your gear and fly somewhere beautiful like right now. Now, I'll be real with you, the video quality itself isn't the best. It's a little crunchy, thanks to compression, and yeah, you can probably blame Platform X for that one. Still, even with the reduced clarity, it manages to give us some pretty solid visual hints about the drone. And just when you think that's all we're getting, a couple of promo-style images pop up too. These look like screenshots from the same video, but they're way cleaner, less compressed, and honestly, much easier on the eyes. After staring at this thing for a bit, I've got to say, the new design is starting to grow on me. It's got this sleeker, slightly more aggressive look that feels modern without going overboard. It's clear DJI is trying to evolve the design without losing that core identity that drone fans already know and love. But here's where things start getting even more interesting. A brand new image of the DJI RC Pro 2 remote has also made its way online. And let me tell you, this one's a big deal. Jasper Ellens pointed it out, and I totally agree with his take. The image gives us a much better look at what appears to be the long-rumored foldable stick design. Now, if you've ever used DJI remotes before, you know the hassle of constantly removing the sticks every time you pack up. It's one of those small annoyances that adds up over time. But with this new foldable setup, that problem could finally be a thing of the past. It might seem like a minor tweak on paper, but for anyone who flies often, it's a real game changer in terms of. There's even another leaked shot floating around, this time showing someone wearing a mask while using the RC Pro 2. And honestly, it just screams, planned leak. I mean, it's practically begging to be noticed. The framing, the timing, the little details, it all feels a bit too perfect to be purely accidental. At this point, I wouldn't be surprised if DJI themselves were behind some of these so-called leaks, just to build up hype in the lead-up to launch. And speaking of launch, here's the big one. The Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to officially drop on April 24th, with a starting price of around $2,250. If that date holds up, then we're probably looking at an official teaser sometime around April 17th. So yeah, the countdown is basically on.